Hello and welcome to Ben's green screen tutorial for Miss Humphrey and Miss Humphrey's class. Here I go.
Five minutes later.
Well, here we are in Premiere Pro, the program you've probably been using for a while. Today we're going to learn how you can green screen stuff. First thing you got to do is go import your things. And to do that, you go to you guys know all this. Okay, so now that you have all your files imported and organized like I do, let's get to work. Let's go into our green screen footage folder and find a good green screen video that works.
Oh, hi!
Hello. Let's not do that one. Let's do this one.
Wow, I see an alien.
Let's put an alien there, why don't we? So what you want to do first is you take the green screen footage and you drag it onto your timeline. This is going to set the timeline to this video's specific aspect ratio as well as resolution. In this case, it seems to be a 16:9 aspect ratio and a 720 resolution. Anyway, you're going to want to take the green screen footage and lift it up a few tracks. Because what you're going to do is you're going to take what's behind the green screen and put it underneath. And I've got that in my background footage bin. We're going to put the solar system behind them, okay? So you take the background video and you put it underneath the green screen footage. Okay, so right now it's this. Behind the green screen footage. So let's get down to the actual green screeny bits. Now that we have our green screen video over our solar system, we're going to make it so that the green disappears and the solar system is seen. How you do that, we're looking for the effects menu, not the effects workspace. This is the effects workspace. It's not what you want, Miss Humphrey. If you go down here to these arrows, go to the Effects tab. This opens up the Effects panel. This is where you get your effects for your videos. If you type in this search bar, Ultra key, this is the effect used to create a green screen effect. Click and drag the Ultra key effect onto the green screen footage. Now that this footage has been affected, you can double click on it to bring it up in the viewing menu. In the viewing menu, you go over to the effects controls. This brings up everything from the motion, opacity, time remapping, and Ultra key, which is what we just added to it. If you go down here, don't mind that for now. We only want this, the eyedropper tool. If you take the eyedropper tool and drag it over to the green on the green screen and click, boom. There's the solar system. Now, it does look a bit grainy, which is gross, and you can adjust that using all these different settings by clicking and dragging the numbers to adjust the different settings. Why it's so weird on my computer, I don't know. You can probably get the best effect by using the matte cleanup tab, by choking and softening the colors. If you just mess around with everything long enough, it'll work. Okay, let's see how this looks.
Wow, I see an alien.
They see an alien, but not yet, because we haven't added one yet. But you know what? Let's go find one.
7 hours later.
Alright, we got our alien. But check this out. It's green screen too. So you know what that means. Extra practice. Alrighty, let's do it. If we go back to these arrows to find the effects panel, not the effects workspace, we can find Ultra key is still here for us because we typed it in the search bar. So you just click and drag again right on top of this. It's a long file name. If you don't see the effects controls tab appear right away, you can go over to these arrows, and it's right there, top of the list. Go back to this eyedropper here, click on it, click on the green, and boom. Don't even have to mess with that many weird settings. Now that our alien is green screened, all we gotta do is put him underneath this green screen. That way they can be pointing at him right there. Okay. And how we do that is we just move some stuff around by layers. And the alien is in the wrong position. So how we change it is still having the clip highlighted. We're back in the effects control panel. And all we gotta do is change the position by, there he goes. And there he is. And we can make him a little bigger too. Scoot him over a bit more. And there he is.
Wow, I see an alien.
Wow, they do see an alien. There he is. And that's how you green screen in Premiere Pro. Now it's your turn. Do what I just did, but better. Because you guys are smart young kids, and I'm an old geezer of 19. So have fun, and hopefully I said everything I should have said.